Hello, Scott Mulligan here with SkipperBud's. One of our newest trade-ins is Supra. It's got a nice gray interior color. Take a walk around. It's on a tandem axle trailer. Nice swim platform back here. This is a 2004. Couple little scratches here, but the rest of the boat actually looks pretty nice. Does have a little breakaway tongue trailer there. Does come with the bimini here. We'll hop up on board here for you. A nice cockpit area here. Nice seating throughout. The upholstery is actually in pretty good shape for its age. A nice playpen bow area here. Tower speakers, bungee rack. And nice seating against, comes with the bimini. This boat has the Inmar Assault engine in it. Boat currently has just over 815 hours on it. Or 875 hours, I'm sorry. 13-person capacity. So yeah, there you have it. If you have any further interest in this boat or any other boat on one of our websites, please give us a call. We are happy to assist.